Hi, today I am going to show you how to create a playlist on YouTube. I am a music teacher getting ready to prepare my students for their holiday concert. It is important to me that they can hear classic recordings of holiday songs, that they can see visuals to help them remember lyrics and add meaning to the text, and that I have a sing-along option for them should I need it, with lyrics and the soundtrack. First, I am going to go in my Chrome browser to the Google Grid. I'm going to click on More, and YouTube is right here. When I come into YouTube, I'm going to do a quick search for Jolly Old St. Nicholas lyrics. Right here, I have a Jolly Old St. Nicholas sing-along. I'm going to click on this. And down here, I have the option to share or save. Right now, I want to save it. I'm going to create a new playlist. Title it, and click Create. The next song I want is one that has visuals. As I scroll down, I can see that this one has some pictures that go with the words of the song. I'm going to come right down here, click on Save, and I'm not going to create a new playlist. I'm going to add it to my holiday music playlist. When I'm finished adding all of the songs that I want in my playlist, I can go over here, scroll down to my library. Right here is my holiday music playlist. When I click on it, it pulls up my playlist right here. I want to be able to share my whole playlist, not just this song. So I'm going to click up here on holiday music. I'm going to come down here to Edit. I can save this link here, but if I click on Edit, I have some additional options. I can edit my playlist settings. I can make it public, unlisted, or private. If it's unlisted, I have to give the link so that people can see it. If it's public, anyone can see it, and if it's private, no one can see it. I want to share this. I click on Share, and I have lots of options. For now, I just want my link. I'm going to copy my link, put it in an email, and share it with whomever I want to share it. I can also paste this link into a document for my students so that they can access my playlist from their home. Most of them have a parent or someone in their life with a phone that has YouTube on it. This allows me to give students an opportunity to hear their songs over and over and over again while watching pictures, which gives them more incentive to do this. My audience for this presentation is music teachers, but anybody can make a YouTube playlist. The goal is to create easy access to a selection of educational videos, whether they're Christmas, holiday music, sing-along songs, or videos about important stuff in the real world. My ISTE standards are C.3.B and C.5.A. Thanks for watching.